Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm just doing a quick project. I just want to show you something on the bandsaw. I've used the mitre slot gauge and a stop block. I'm just going to show you how I'm doing some circles for a project that I'm making for someone. So let's just position the camera right. So basically, put a screw through. I'm making 100mm circles, so I'm 50mm, 90 degrees from the blade. I will screw on a piece I want. It's just a little 3mm hole for the screw to fit. It fits nice, to be fair, and lets me turn it as well. Just have to hold it sometimes for it to screw down. Right, so there you go, it's fixed at 50mm radius, so here we go. Cable stops there on this positive stop. There we go, perfect circle every time. I actually measured these with a caliper and they're spot on, to be fair. It was only literally took me 10 minutes to make, I'm doing a little project for somebody and they asked me for it. Now the reason I'm screwing it back on is because I've got the blade set at 1 degree. Well, sorry, not the blade, the table set at 1 degree, so I'm going to cut it the other way and get a slight bevel. There you go. Oh, that one has gone tight. So I'll unscrew that. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's not very, you can't really see it on the camera. There is a slight bevel on it. So I need 6 for what I'm doing. I'm making a little truck for somebody, a little wooden truck. Just for a set design it is. So it's just for a model for a set design. So yeah, get these perfect every time, so I'm going to make 6 of them. So I've got 4 done. I'll bring the camera over here. Got 4 done there. As you can see, they're all very slightly beveled. You can't see it on the camera, that's really strange, but they're all beveled. So there you go, just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, you can. Thank you very much. Goodbye.